Hello viewers, in this video I'm going to show you how to direct message someone on Instagram. So if you want to learn the process of doing it, keep watching the video till the end. So let's start it. First of all, you have to go to your Instagram profile. From here you have to search that person you want to direct message. So I'm searching that person by clicking here. Suppose I'm searching video scribe, suppose this person. Okay, after getting that person, if you click the message option, then you will get this option will come. From here, if you want to text anything, hello, how are you, okay, then you can directly text him. Okay, in this way you can directly message anyone. If you want to add any image, then you want to if you want to text any image, then you just click on the image option. Then from here you can select any image to share with him. I'm sharing this image. So in this way you can share image, as well as there are sticker in the bottom right corner. From here, if you want, you can share any sticker. Suppose I'm sharing this sticker. Okay, so in this way actually you can directly message someone on Instagram. That's it. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any question. Have a good day.